Hello there, it's Sheila. So finally I'm doing a quick training for the Virtual 360. So this is the entire setup. I'm going to break it down real quick. Okay, we're going to take this off of here. Okay, and we are going to take this off of here. Okay, I'm going to shut this off. All right, so we have the tripod, we have the rotator, we have the lens, the fisheye lens, and we have the phone. Now you'll notice that my phone has no case on it. I suggest you not put the case on it because the lens will not go over the case. So take your case off and only use your phone. All right. Your lens should go over your lens on your phone, regardless of the type of phone you have. I'm pretty sure. All right. Also, you want to make sure that you download the theVRkit right there, the theVRkit. And I will put the link in the description below for the website for that. And then also, I don't think I can link the actual app, but I can put the app information down in the description. All right, so what you want to do is you want, and you have a, you'll have a little shutter button. I don't know if it looks like this, but you'll have a shutter button. So make sure you have all that together along with your tripod. Okay, my tripod is the Sunpack 6601TM, and mine comes with this piece that you can take off. Anybody that has a tripod, you should have the same kind of setup where you can take the bottom piece off. So you'll notice that the rotator has a screw at the bottom that you can use this piece to screw into. So you tighten it up, make sure it's nice and tight. Nice and tight. Make sure that this is nice and tight up here. And then set your top in. Okay, tighten it down. Now, on your tripod, you want to make sure that your tripod is level. So if you've never used the level before, what you want to do is make sure that the bubble in the level is in the middle. Okay? When you're using the tripod, you want to basically make sure that the tripod is like a little bit below eye level when you're doing the Virtual 360. You don't want to have it too high. You don't want to have it too low. So I would say a little bit below eye level. All right. And so here's our setup. And with the lens, you want to make sure that after you've downloaded the theVRkit app, you go in and you want to make sure that when you have your lens on, that it's nice and crystal clear. Okay. I can't see it. Nice and crystal clear. You don't want the lens to be up, because when it's up like that, it's got the black on the bottom. You want to make sure that everything is nice and clear and that it's all clear all the way around. Okay, so just like that. All right. Make sure that your rotator is in the on position. So if you look right now, I'm going to show you. The light should be on. Okay, I'll keep it this way. So the light should be on. Your rotator up in the top corner, the word rotator, should be in the on position. If it's not, then I would suggest you come up to this little gear, touch the gear, and turn your rotator on. Okay? I'll put the instructions that the theVRkit provides in the description below to help you out. Okay? So everything should be on. Everything should be good here, and we should be ready to start to do our Virtual 360. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you tighten up the phone nice and tight. Everything is lined up. The lens is lined up. Everything is level here. And what you're going to do is put the device in the middle of the room. You're going to want it right in the middle of the room. And you're going to do these things in sections. So if you have a big kitchen, you're going to want to maybe do it in the dining room and then in the kitchen and then maybe off in the hallway. So just kind of think ahead of time how you would want to navigate a virtual tour when you're in the home, and place the virtual tour device and do the pictures like you would doing a tour in person. Okay, so that's just my little tip. All right, so if you do have a shutter, make sure that your shutter is connected via Bluetooth to your phone. So you want to go into your Bluetooth on your phone, press the button on your shutter, make sure that your Bluetooth recognizes your shutter, and then you should be all set to use the shutter button for your virtual 360. You don't need this in order to do the virtual 360. You can do it without it. I've done it many times. You just have to make sure that you're not in the shot, which is sometimes it's happened. I've been in the shot. And also too is that if you are happen to do a virtual 360 shot where you're in a mirror, just make sure that you're checking all angles to see that there's nothing else in there, including yourself. All right. So what you're going to do now is if you don't have this, you're going to just touch your phone and it will start. Okay, it'll count down. It'll beep once, and then it'll count down, and then it'll start taking pictures. I'm going to turn on my sound. I'm going to take my phone off of vibrate, and I'm going to start it up. 3, and then it's counting down. So now it's going to start rotating, and it's taking pictures as it rotates. And it basically puts all the pictures together into one big picture that you're going to upload into the Cloudpano software. And that's going to be another instruction. And I will link that below in the description. So we will let it finish taking pictures. You can hear it taking pictures. And then you'll hear it beep, and that means it's done. Okay? When it's done, you can look through the picture, and I highly suggest you doing this. You don't have to take it off. You can look through it right from there. But I suggest you take and you move around the preview to see what it looks like, to make sure that that everything looks good, that there's nothing in there that shouldn't be. And then that way you can say, okay, this one's done, and move on to the next room. All right. Okay. So I'm going to try out my little shutter. If you do have a shutter, you can press the button and it should work. There it goes. And now it'll start taking pictures again. Okay. If you, for whatever reason, need to stop it in the interim, you can just touch the button again and it'll stop. Or you can touch the screen and it'll stop. So just know that you can cancel that at any time. If you need to go back through and delete something, like let's say you started to do one and you messed it up or something and you need to go back.
Hey, Mom.
Hi. Just make sure that you touch this button right here to your preview and go back and pick the one that you didn't want, hit the delete, and hit the delete on there. Okay. I hope that is helpful for everybody. I'm going to put all the information into the description, and then watch for the video for the Cloudpano to show, to screen share, to show you how to connect the pictures once you have them. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any comments, please share them in the comments below. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later.